6 teams, 1 winner. Who will win the first ever West Indies T20 Breakout League? The Trinidad and Tobago Legions coming off a win in day number 1 up against the Guyana Rainforest Rangers, hunting redemption. The Legions, one change for their team. Middle order power player Christian Thurton in for Kamal Puran. With that bowling attack, they'll be looking to those taller seamers and the spin of Joachim and Mikel Govaya. Carlos Brathwaite is alongside. Carlos, the Rangers, they need a win.
They do. And looking to Jediah Blades to start well again. Niall Smith supported him well. Ronaldo Ali Mohammed, one of my players to watch for the tournament, didn't have the best first game, but his all-round package is so important for the Rainforest Rangers.
Timo Savory, centre of screen, wanted his team to bowl first. He's got a healthy diet of spin, and he'll be hoping to use it against Amir Jangu. And he's got a new partner tonight. Cephas Cooper opened an evening ago, but Captain Joshua De Silva comes to the top of the order. There was a deep fielder in the offside, but the placement was pristine. Edge found the away movement of Jediah Blades. He's played for the West Indies and hoping to use that experience in the Breakout T20.
A left-arm seamer's dream, full swinging away, enticing the drive. Edge found, catch taken, and delight for the Rainforest Rangers. Jangu goes for 4. The Legions 4 for 1.
He squeezed it in the gap, Cephas Cooper.
That's okay. Keep going at it.
A similar stroke to what Cephas Cooper played early in the over. Ned starts in an expensive manner, 16 for 1. And he did try to chip, but it was excellent adjustment by Cephas Cooper. Goes too full. He's overpitched that delivery, a rare miss in length. And Cooper accepts gleefully. Did that brush the glove on the way through? It has. Reward for what has been an exceptional passage of bowling from the Barbadian. And Cephas Cooper's in shock.
Just reward for Jediah Blades. Seam. Oh, I'm not sure if it is just reward. The wicket, the result, not sure the process. But he wouldn't care. That's 2 for in the power play for him. Cooper's gone for 18 and the Legions are 28 for 2.
Oh, this could be another one. Settles, takes it, gleefully accepted. Oh, you hear the cheers out there. Ned is happy, Rangers are happy. That's 3 down now.
Yeah, and an excellent catch under the lights in this night sky where the ball drops so quickly. It's always so difficult to take these catches. Yeah, really good from Kevin St. Clair, who initially seemed to get in a tangle. Yeah, and a bit of a jiggle by Ashmi Ned, who's come back well after an expensive start. Thurton brought into the team, hoping to make a difference. Cannot score. Walks back for 0. 31 for 3.
Streaky, but effective. They needed a boundary, and the captain has provided it. An exclamation mark on the over. Productive 13 from it. The captain is going 4-4 for 3. Oh, Da Silva, a bit of gold 9 overs gone, 56 for 3. That line, that is what hurt Sinclair on that occasion, and that is what helped the Legions.
There was something on that. How often after a break do we see a wicket falling? Ned again with the strike.
Yeah, timely one for the Guyana Rainforest Rangers. It would have been a wide had he missed it completely. Instead, he got a tickle through to the wicketkeeper. Good take from Kemal Savory. Yeah, and the celebration. Yeah, Navin Bidesi goes for 11, 63 for 4.
He does take him on, and he's connected well. Jid Guli, he's got power.
Remember.
Along with his ability.
Goes again, gets it again. Low full toss. There'll be a boundary check just to confirm whether or not it went for 4 or for 6. Is it flush on the rope? It seems to be that way. It would be 6. It's signal 6 now.
No, wait. No, too much.
It's been very intelligent batting from the Trinidad and Tobago Legion skipper.
Goes again. Does he get enough? Just enough. Just over the fielder there in the deep. So back-to-back 6s for Joshua Da Silva.
Not exactly the area he would have wanted to hit the ball, Guli, but he'll take the boundary.
Oh, a slip and a slide.
A statement made by the captain. Oh, he has skippered from the front, and he has skippered with excellence and class. 50 for Joshua Da Silva. Does it again. Oh, Da Silva. Captain, fantastic tonight. All eyes are on you. Carlos asked about retire. Oh, but Da Silva is on fire. Catches the cry. This time it is caught, but you would have to say that damage is done.
Short and wide. Spoke about forcing batters to hit to that side, into the breeze. Poached by Kevin Sinclair. But a tremendous knock leading from the front. Joshua Da Silva, 68 from 36 balls, putting his team in a fantastic position. 140 for 5 to Trinidad and Tobago Legions.
Oh, wow. Bang, bang, Guli. Oh, you beauty. More runs for Guli. More runs for the Legions. Unlucky, you would say. Pace on, though. It's gone up. And it comes down in the hands. Guli falls short of 50. Tonight is done and dusted, but what a job it has been. 49 from 30, 168 for 6. Does he get it up and over? Oh, McKenny. Started last night, first ball 6, tonight first ball 4. Dot ball to end. Oh, they're scampering. Misses. That could be big. That is awareness. Add one more to the total. What an innings this has turned out to be from a position of 31 for 3. They found themselves up even more than last night. 173 for 6, the Legions.
You need the 68 from 36 from De Silva. You also need the 49 from 30. It's been a fantastic display of batting, batsmanship, and teamwork in partnership. 173 for 6, all told after 20. And speaking about partnerships, 2 important partnerships, 32 off 28 in a bit of a rebuild. De Silva and Badesi, and then De Silva and Jedguli building on it, 77 off 41.
Yeah, look at the bowling for the Rainforest Rangers. It started well for them, but look towards the bottom of that table, mid as well in terms of economy rates. They have jumped up, and it tells you about what De Silva's done. It tells you what Jedguli has done as well. Well, that target is going to be the biggest of the Breakout League so far. 174 needed for the Guyana Rainforest Rangers.
Tonight, again, a very good score on the board, 173. And it will, in many ways, dictate to the Guyana Rainforest Rangers the way they approach their innings. Clark was good up front.
Straight to me, just second for them again.
The Legions, though, will be happy that they have quality fast bowlers in this lineup. It means then they're not solely dependent on the spinners.
Edged and taken. Amir Django with the catch. So he is able to close the over out, but even better than that, he gets the wicket.
Yeah, finally able to get it in the area he wanted to. And a really good diving catch to his right by Amir Django with gloves in hand today. Excellent finish to the over by McKenny Clark. So cannot repeat his form from the last game. Walks back for 1, 8 for 1.
Pulled away, swatted away, not off the middle of the bat, but enough to go all the way for 4. Yeah, just like that. Uses the pace of the delivery, hits it on the top of the bounce. For again, placement and timing and use of the pace again.
Yeah, this one crashed
Back away.
in front of point and into the boundary.
That is intelligent. Getting inside the line and swiveling on it, and goes all the way for 6.
Catches the cry. Something faint. Yes, indeed. That dreaded finger goes up, and partnership broken.
Joshua James hitting his line as he always does. Hitting the deck. James trying to get inside the line and help it over the keeper. Not executing it well and just getting it under edge. Gleefully accepted by Amir Django. Kevin Anderson gone for 27. The Rainforest Rangers 50 for 2.
That is a good position to get into. That's a good boundary. They're going to need more of those. Catch taken, and Clark falls. Not the innings that he would have wanted, but James, he strikes again.
Yeah, once again, the attempt to try to go over. The execution a little off on that occasion, and a very good catch. Clark loses his wicket. The Rainforest Rangers in the spot of bother, 67 for 3.
Well, he has balanced the conversation because that has sailed over the ropes from Sinclair.
Too full.
He's hit that well enough. Kevin Sinclair, we know he's got the power. He's picked that up. A second. Oh no, gone. Thought it was going to carry. James, for a minute, seemed to have misjudged it. In the end, holds on. Big wicket, partnership broken.
And that ball high into the night sky and held up with the light wind that is blowing across the stadium. Joshua De Silva, in the end, judged it well, had to lunge forward at the very end to take the catch. But Sinclair has to go for 19. 91 for 4.
Great placement. It's about time for the captain. He's got to get a move on, and it has to start now. Yeah, his execution has been off in this over, McKenny Clark. Could this be the over they needed? The Rangers, 12 from it. 111 for 4.
Crashes into those stumps. 5 from 12. Oh, it will end as 5 from 13. Gabaya's happy. Blowing kisses of love, maybe. More for the Legions. It's 6 down now.
Yeah, really good execution from Gavaya. He tends to fire them in sometimes. Yeah, too full, not allowing Ali Mohammed to get under it. But again, you can see he's not even in a good position to execute. He has to walk back. And he will be very disappointed. 5 from 13 deliveries. 113 now for 5.
Outfoxed again. And this time, oh no, I was going to say he did it himself. But he undid it himself, Johan Lane. He's pointing to the air, communication.
Yeah, to check the run out.
On first glance, you thought maybe he missed, but look at those bails. Oh, they come off. He is out of here. Hear the screams of this crowd. He at least has a smile at the end of it.
Yeah, captain of the Rainforest Rangers has to walk back for 33. He tried, but he was not able to get his team for enough. 125 for 6.
Oh, that has been muscled, that has been middled, and that is out of the park. The long hair has come out again. Oh, Sampson, you mighty man. Can he do it for the Rangers? This time it should be caught. It is caught. 2 6s, and Sampson is out of here.
Yeah, easy enough catch for Mikhail Govaya, who was good with ball. I wonder if it was a change of pace. Perhaps just a slight change of pace. Too much elevation, got under that ball way too much. Govaya having to come off the boundary and taking a simple catch. 2 6s and out. Sampson has to walk back for 19, 138 for 7.
Well, produce that. Oh, Smith can hit it. Some might be in denial. 19 gone, 145 for 7. Needed 6. Will be a wicket instead. The chairs go up around the Brian Lara Cricket Academy. They are 1 step closer to sealing 2 victories.
Yeah, again, another batter not quite getting his weight into the shot. Leaning back way too much on that occasion. Nell Smith. Yeah, easy enough catch for Jade Cooley. Coming in from the long off boundary. Too much for Nell Smith to do in the end. Walks back for 6 from 3 deliveries, 146 for 8.
This time he calls for it. This time he takes it. That's 2 now for Lane. has been a brilliant bowling effort from the Legions.
Yeah, got the wickets early in the last game. This time he's gotten his wickets in this comeback spell. Yeah, really good. This time no one in his eye line, so he knows he has to take that catch. Really good from Johan Lane. Good display of skill. Jedi Blaze dismissed for 2. 150 for 9.
Back-to-back wins for the Trinidad and Tobago Legions. They have not put a foot wrong all night. Batting-wise, they were led by their captain. Bowling-wise, they've been led by all. So a summary of this game: 173 for 6, the Trinidad and Tobago Legions, and 150 for 9 in their 20, meaning that victory by 23 runs for the Legions.